Hey guys, welcome back to Louis Dutton Vlogs. In today's video we are going to be carrying on part 2 of the track build. I saw you guys really liked the video of the track build. I have literally just posted it last night and it's doing quite well. I think I haven't looked at it this morning, but last night it was going quite good. But the comments have actually turned off again for some reason. They were on at the start of the video, but now they've turned off, so I'm not too sure about what YouTube are doing at the moment. It's a bit weird. They should be on, but don't know what's happening really. But yeah, I've literally just woken up. I've probably got sleep all in my eyes, and that's probably why I look tired. But Elliot is down at the track now. He's already done something apparently. My dad just phoned up saying Elliot's down at the track. Do you want to go film it? So I was like, yeah. So let's head down to the track and see if he's still there. So yeah. So at the moment, we're just down at the pit, making a few adjustments. We're not on the digger at the moment because it's making quite a lot of noise. We're going to head down there, see what the track's like, do some few adjustments down there. So yeah. So I think at the moment Ellis has gone up and got the digger. Got the GoPro straps and now I think he's just remolding the step up into the upper hill. So yeah. So we've just remolded the step up at the pit, I think you've just seen. Now we're just doing the double up here. We've changed this a bit, moving it on a bit more of an angle. So that's what we're doing at the moment. Just remolding that jump for the time being. So yeah, cannot wait for this track to be done and get ripping around, because I think there'll be a lot of vlogs coming out when this track's all done, just riding around this track. Like, it's gonna be awesome. So because the digger we've actually got at the moment isn't the correct one, sort of thing, we're going to have to rake it out, because if we keep using the digger it's sort of ruining the jump. So we're going to rake it out and do it the old fashioned way with a shovel and a rake. So just smoothing everything out at the moment. Just been putting some posts down to mark out the track properly, so we've got a better idea of where we're going and exactly what it's going to look like. So obviously hit this double, we've changed it a bit, hit the double, around that, then couple of posts, down the straight, over this. This will all be rollers down here, big rollers, so pretty looking forward to that. So yeah, so I think Ellie's heading up in the digger now. I think just making so much noise we're going to have to stop for a bit with the digger, but the track has changed quite a lot really. It's all been moulded down, these jumps here, the floor's been all done now, got posts everywhere. But he'll come out I think maybe tomorrow in it. But we're still not done today. We still need to power all the jumps out and be recording all of that, and maybe even riding the track, because Elliot's just purchased himself a brand new CF125, so obviously has a bit of riding maybe today. So just raked all of that section down there. Elliot did the rake. Now just shoveling down this jump, passing it down. So yeah. So, patted that jump in now. Elliot's just finishing raking. He's been raking all the jumps off, getting all like the big sort of rocks out, been filling the old ruts in. So, where there used to be a big rock in this jump here, taken out, filled it up with some other dirt. The landing's looking prime here. Looks like a very nice landing. Come around here to the front of the jump. Got rid of the big rut that used to be there. Then, now, heading over to this section, just putting some posts in. Apart from that, the track's looking mega now. Coming together. Just marked the doubles over there. Oh, need to put some posts there. Got this little section all posted off. Coming along very nicely now. I'll keep picking up the vlogs every 5 minutes or so, show what we're doing, talk about what we've changed and what we're doing. So yeah, getting very hot out here actually. It's like 15 degrees. I'm wearing all black, so I'm boiling out here. Elliot's just up there raking, I think. So we'll go put a couple more posts where Elliot is, as this area is sort of done. Just need to put another one down here. Freshly done. So now we've done that, I'm gonna get my helmet on and do the first lap of the new track. So looking forward to riding it.
Test run on a sketchy track.
Half
built track.
Can you just walk up that lip?
Yeah, this jump here is a bit sketchy, so there's no half doing it. It's double or nothing. We did not leave a hole. You gotta just hit it, mate.
Just hit it?
Just hit it. Roll up it and see what it's like. Oh, it's perfect. He's gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it. This could end. Could go very well or very badly. We shall see. Around there, and then down to here. No, that side of it. Around both of them. Yep. Around both of them, over this, and then go around here, around that one, because then it'll slow it down, and you can go into the woods, not go and pin. Louis! Hey! Try and do this one, tabletop, and land on a rake to the inside. Yeah. Hair's looking good, isn't it? Need a haircut. Ah! OJ! Yes! Front brake, land on the front! Yes, sir.
So, just done a couple of laps. Elliot's gone up now. Me and Alex will carry on raking it down here. But Alex is currently in bed, so I think. So, let's head up and go get him. Well, my opinions on the track so far, love it. It's such a good track. It's a lot different. It's really like a big nationals track. It's really big, some big long straights, big jumps, fast, technical as well, really technical. Just, it's going to be a good track. I cannot wait till the final thing is done. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. So James is currently up here. I'm going to start raking a bit of the track, as we've already ridden it quite a bit, so needs a bit of time to be raked and stuff. So yeah. So I think Elliot's just having a quick little break. Elliot's, I think, is going to come around later on his bike. So yeah, I think Elliot's going to come around in a bit. Ride his brand new 125, because he's also got one. I think we've all got one now, apart from Alex. So yeah, going to be doing that. So I'll catch up with the vlog later. So right, it's actually really late. I forgot to end what happened today. So we rode the pit bikes, got a bit used to the track. Obviously you didn't film when James came around because we only did a couple of laps before the bikes broke. But Elliot has texted me and said he is actually going to be coming around tomorrow on his 125. We're going to be improving the track, so cannot wait for tomorrow, so let's bring on tomorrow. Right, so it's now the next day. It's quite late actually, but Elliot's just come around with his brand new 2020 Sierra 125. So me and him, and Alex, I think we're going to be testing out the track down the bottom of the garden, seeing what the track rides like, and I'll be getting some GoPro on board hopefully. So let's head down for a ride. Smooth. That last one's perfect.
Yeah.
It's that other one.
What one?
The first one. The last one looks mega. Try and double and double here. Track, little episode of the track build so far, it's apart a little bit. It's more just jumping around the bike. But you're going to do the transfer? Ah, transferred. Quite a cool little transfer. Perfect! So it's made a little addition where I think we have to drop off this, so I don't know if I'm looking forward to jumping this. We had this ages ago for the mountain bikes, and it is really big, so I don't know how it's going to work out on the bikes. Maybe it's going to be easy, maybe it won't. That's quite good actually on these. It's easy on these, it's just a little drop.
What? Huh? Do it. It's that stump I'm scared of. Well, you're not going to hit it, are you?
I only blipped it, you just got brubbed. What do you think of the new addition?
It's good, I like it. It's like going to Murray. I like that bit though, but...
Going down. We could still even have both.
Oh. Oh, look. Oh, I might have come up with another one.
Might have another idea. There is actually one slight problem with building a track in the woods, and that is there's a lot of roots about. So where we drop up this hill, there's this big root here, so I'm going to try to knock this down. Got it! Got rid of the root now. You got close to that.
That's alright, isn't it?
building the world's ultimate pit bike track. If you haven't already checked out part 1, make sure you do. It's down in the description. We'll come up in the corner and we'll be at the end screen. So today was more of a day of just testing out the track, seeing what the track actually rides like. But I think tomorrow he's coming back around, isn't he? He said. Yeah, he did. So yeah, hopefully he's coming around tomorrow. Do some more to the track, maybe even ride a bit more. Probably ride more than do the track, because I think at the moment this is sort of the final project, the final bit of the track during this whole isolation and lockdown, because during lockdown we can't actually get digger or anything, so we're having to cope with what we've got. Right, so this is now the end of today's vlog. Really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. Quite fun riding down the pit bike track, so cannot wait to get some more videos down there. So remember, keep ripping, keep riding, like, share, subscribe. So yeah,